Everyone, welcome to my mathematics online revision session. Today's topic in mathematics is matrices and symmetrical shapes. We are looking at an exam question, and let's get started. Okay, so this is an exam question. First question reads, let me just take my pen. Okay, so the first question is, given that matrix multiplied by the other matrix is equal to 15/2, find the value of m and n. So this is matrix, and we have to find the value by multiplying the matrices by the column vector. Okay, so what do? We multiply first row, this one by that, this one by this one by that. So let's do the calculations. Okay, so our first row, 2 multiplied by m plus 0 multiplied by 0.4, 0 multiplied by 0.4 plus 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 1 equals 15, the one on top there. Okay, so we are finding the value of m and n. Okay, so now we are doing for m, so 2 by m, we get 2m, right, plus 0 times -4, automatically hits 0, so we focus on this part. 3 by 1, it is 3, equals to 15. Okay, so here is an equation. So when 3 crosses the other sign, this 3 goes, we group the like terms. Okay, so we'll have something like this: 2m is equal to 15 minus 3. Okay, so 15 minus 3, what do we get? What do we get? So we get 12. Okay, so just write it from this side. Okay, 2m is equal to 12. We divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2, we cancel. Oh, let me just use a different color, maybe red. We cancel 2, we cancel there. 2 into 2, 1, 2 there, 6. So we can say our value of m is equal to 6. Okay, so what about our value of n? Our value of n, okay, our value of n, let me just do it from this side. So we do for the second row. Okay, so here's the second row. This is the second row, as you can see here. So we say 0 times m, okay, plus c. 0, 3 multiplied by -3 plus c, n multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so let me just write it from there. Okay, so 0 multiplied by m, 0 multiplied by m, okay, plus c. 3 multiplied by -4 plus c, n multiplied by 1 equals to 2. So what we have done here, we have just multiplied, sorry about that, we have just multiplied 0 times that, 3 times that, plus like n times this, plus, and then equals to the equal number there down. Okay, so we are looking for the value of n. So 0 times m, automatically it's 0 here, so we focus on this. Positive 3 multiplied by -4, we have -12. Okay, plus n multiplied by 1, we have n equals to 2. Here we can now group the like terms. All right, okay, so 12 will cross the other sign, and when a number crosses the equal sign, it changes, the sign changes. So here, when negative 12 crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive plus 2, n is equal to 14. So this is your answer, you get it, and we continue. Okay, so question B, complete the figure below so that it's symmetrical about AB. Okay, so we are completing. Let me just write the answers here. Our M is 6, our M is 6, and our N is 14. Our N is 14. Okay, right, so this question, so the tip here, in order for us to complete this here, all right, we must reflect the entire shape above the line. This entire shape above the line AB must be reflected down here. Okay, so every point above AB must appear directly opposite below. So in other words, make sure that you are on point. You see, 1 2 1 2, you can count from here, start from here, 1 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3. So our shape will start from here. Okay, we can point it there. What about there? Okay, above it, we point it here. What about here? We point it here. What about this point, this line here? So a little bit above. Okay, and then eventually we are back here. So our shape will look like this. Okay, another one there, another one there, there, and there. Okay, though they are not drawn to scale. So there, here we can zoom a bit and rub. Okay, so it has actually reflected the same shape on the other side, as you can see. Okay, then B, question B, question B of Roman numeral 2, state the order of rational symmetry of a regular hexagon. Okay, so a regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. All right, so we can say our answer here 6. So you can just say 6 equal sides. Right, you're done. This is how you answer the questions. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. This has been Tutor Be Smart. This is what we looked at. Okay, this is what we looked at. Right, see you in my next revision video. It is bye for now.